just bought this one for only 999 pesos. Nakatipid ako ng 500 pesos. So, bongga.
Smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless in the only. I can see it in your eyes, 'cause they never tell.
Hello everyone, it's me again, Charlene, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will do a quick review at magtataglish tayo para mas maintindihan ng lahat kung ano man yung i-review ko. So, yesterday, I bought something that is very helpful for me because I spend most of the time searching on the net and using YouTube. So naisipan ko na bumili ng mas faster and reliable internet connection. So, what I got yesterday is this one. Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. Kahapon kasi guys, merong promo dahil sa Chinese New Year. So, I just bought this one for only 999 pesos. $999 pesos. The original price of this one is 1,499. Actually, yung unang labas talaga nito is 1,999 and then nag-drop down sila to 1,499. And then yesterday, finally, they had a promo and they just sold it to 999 pesos. So, ang laki lang naitipid ko, diba? Nakatipid ako ng 500 pesos. So, bongga. So, ngayon, titingnan natin kung maganda nga ba siya. Sabi dito, it's 2 times faster, stronger, and wider signal. Tapos, meron siyang sulit load. You can also share to other devices, and it has free 10 GB pag binili mo to. Good for 7 days. That is valid for 7 days, guys. Okay, so let's open it right now at tignan natin kung maganda nga ba siya. Maganda naman yung packaging niya. Okay, so ito guys, wala siyang antena. Yung isang model kasi meron siyang antena, tsaka mas maliit dito. Ito, wala siyang antena. Okay. Para mas makita niyo. Itong cord na to, ito yung ginagamit para, this is the LAN cord, para LAN 1, ito yung ginagamit para i-connect dito directly to your laptop or TV. And then also, of course, they plug. And all the manuals and warranties here. So, ito yung manual niya. Nandito lahat ng guide. And this is the warranty. The warranty is 1 year. So, kung magka-problema siya, dalhin nyo lang sa any branch nila and you can let them repair. And we have here also the quick setup guide. This one. Okay, so sabi nga pala dito, I will show you the advantages of this Globe at Home Wi-Fi. It says na it has fast internet powered by Globe LTE and it's plug and play, no installation needed. You can do it by yourself, kumbaga. And then no monthly fee, reloadable. So kung kailan mo siya gustong gamitin, i-loadan mo lang and then you have internet. there's no monthly bill na dumadating sa bahay niyo. And then, connect multiple devices. So, you can connect 2 to 3 devices with this Globe at Home Wi-Fi, prepaid Wi-Fi. And by the way guys, ito pala yung SIM card niya. So, you don't have to lose this one and you don't have to remove from the device. Kasi ito yung pinaka-importanting part sa modem na to. Without this one, it will never work. So, now I will show you how to set up this one. Step by step, i-share ko sa inyo guys kung paano siya siniset up. Madali lang. So, first, you have to plug and connect. Ayan. Plug and connect. So, just plug the modem and connect to your device. And then, step 2, download the app. So, kailangan mo i-download yung app nila na Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi sa cellphone mo. So, ganito. Actually, yesterday, na-download ko na siya. So, pupunta ka lang sa Play Store and then, you have to search Globe at Home. So, ganito siya guys. Globe at Home. Ayan. Ito. Hindi makita. So, ito guys, ganito siya. Globe at Home. Ilalagay ko na lang yung logo niya, yung icon niya dito sa gilid. Okay, so, once na na-download nyo na siya, ayan, so, ganito siya. Pag binuksan nyo na yung app, ayan. Makikita mo na yung, once na-download mo na siya, ang next step is to activate. So, i-activate mo yung SIM card niya. And after you activate the SIM card, then you can get the free 10 gigabyte na data niya. So, na internet pala, sorry. Ayan. So, dito kasi nagamit na namin siya yesterday. And I have 6.4 GB left. Ayan. So, ganun lang guys. Madali lang. Only 3 steps and you are done. So, plug and connect, download the app, and then activate. So, ganun lang guys. And make sure na pag inano nyo siya, pag binuksan nyo na tong modem na to, you have to place it somewhere na mas makakasagap siya ng signal para mas maganda yung flow ng signal niya. Okay? Now, the next thing that we will do is to do a speed test kung maganda nga ba yung connection niya. So, ngayon guys, i-connect ko na siya. Bubuhayin na natin para magawa na natin yung speed test. Just stay on the screen and I will show you how is the result pag na-speed test na natin siya. Okay?
Now guys, naka-on na yung modem natin. So, let's do the speed test. Okay, here we go. Loading. Ayan, may nasagap na siya. Click go. Connecting. So, we have to check the download speed first. Let's see how strong it is. Okay, going high. 16, 17. 17.2, not bad. Now, the upload speed. 6, 5, naglalaro lang siya. Okay. .4, nice one.
So, that's all that I can share with you guys. Okay naman siya, maganda. The speed, if you will talk about the speed, it's okay. Mataas naman yung download speed niya, tsaka upload speed. So, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. At you can connect one or two or more devices. Actually, here at home, we are using 3 devices and the connection is fast. walang problema at hindi siya naghahang. So far, it's okay, it's good. I find it good, and I'm satisfied. So, I hope you get something out from this video, especially for those who are planning to buy a Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi one day. Just remember this video of mine, and you will know how to do the setup and how to download the app. And if you want to see more of my videos, actually I do a lot of videos here on my channel. I do a lifestyle video, tutorial, reviews like this, and tips and opportunities. Just simply subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next upload. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!